Good morning, I am Shashi Gurun. Welcome to online learning programming in C++. Sometime in a program there can be expression where mixed data type is used. Suppose the expression is C equal to A plus B, where A is of integer data type and B is of float data type. Also C is also a float data type. Now in this expression there are two mixed data types, that is integer and float. Now how this expression is evaluated, whether the data type is converted or the user has to convert this data type. So in this video I will tell you about the type conversion. So let's start with the topic, that is type conversion. Type conversion means conversion from one data type into another data type. That is, the conversion can be from char to int, it can be from integer to float, or it can be from float to double. So this is a conversion. There are two important terms in type conversion, that is promotion and demotion. When there is a conversion from lower range data type into higher range data type, then this is known as promotion. Suppose there is a conversion from integer to float, then this is promotion, because the size of integer in Turbo C++ is 2 bytes and the size of float is 4 bytes. So from integer to float conversion, this process is known as promotion. Now, when there is a conversion from higher range data type into lower range data type, then this is called demotion. That is from float to integer. The size of float is 4 bytes and the size of integer is 2 bytes. Now the conversion from float to integer is known as demotion. There are two types of type conversion. The first type is implicit, the second type is explicit. In implicit conversion, the conversion is done automatically. It is done by the compiler. In case of explicit, the conversion is done by the programmer. In case of implicit, there is a no use of cast operator, but in case of explicit, the cast operator is used. So you can see that this is a header file, and within the main body I have used variable I, which is of integer data type, and it is equal to 0. Here there is another variable A, which is of character data type, and the value of A is equal to A. Now there is a variable that is C, which is of integer data type, and this is the expression, that is C equal to I plus A. Here C is of integer data type, I is of integer data type, but A is of character data type. So there will be implicit conversion, that is from char to integer. The size of char is 1 byte and the size of integer is 2 byte or 4 bytes depending upon compiler. So this is a case of implicit conversion or promotion, that is from lower to higher range data type conversion. So when I run this program, so it will print the value of C, that is will be equal to 97. Here the sum is equal to 97. Now how the 97 is calculated? The value of I is 0. So in the expression, that is I plus A, the A, which is a character, and its ASCII value is 97. This small letter A ASCII value is 97, whereas the capital A ASCII value is 65. So the value will be 97, which is 0 plus 97, C equal to 97. Now the another example, which is of explicit conversion. Here you can see that this is a y and it is a float data type, and y is equal to float bracket 3 divided by 2. So it will print the value, that is 1.5. You can see that is y equal to 1.5. So here I have used cast operator. If I don't use this cast operator, then it will show the value 1. So this is a case of explicit conversion where the cast operator is to be used by mentioning the first data type. You can also mention within the bracket and then run. So it will show the value, that is 1.5. In earlier it was showing 1 because 3 divided by 2 and these are integer value. In integer there is no decimal point, so that's why in that case the value was 1. But here the float and 3, it means 3 will first convert into data type which is your float, and after that it will divided by 2. Now in this case the marks is variable and here the value is 10.5, and here the number is variable which is of integer data type and it is equal to marks. Now here the number value will be printed. So when I run this program, you can see that the value is here 10, it is not 10.5. So here marks, which is a float data type, it is converted into number which is of integer type. This is a case of higher to lower conversion, and there is a conversion from higher to lower, then it is a case of demotion. So the fractional part will be lost, so 0.5 value will not be shown, that is number value is equal to 10. So there is a information lost in this case. So that's all about type conversion: implicit, explicit, promotion and demotion. So in this video, I hope you have understood the concept of type conversion, its type, and the difference between implicit and explicit conversion and how it is implemented in the program. So you make this program and run it and see the output. Thank you.